Light. It illuminates our world. It paints the sky with vibrant colors. But what we see is just a sliver of a much grander phenomenon. Light is a form of energy, a wave that travels through space. But it's also much more than that. Beyond the colors we can see lies a vast, invisible spectrum of light. These invisible rays, from radio waves to gamma rays, hold secrets to the universe and the very essence of life itself. We can't touch light, but we can see how it interacts with the world. Think of a rainbow. It's created when sunlight is bent and separated by raindrops. This bending, called refraction, is just one way light reveals its secrets. For instance, bees can see ultraviolet light, which helps them find nectar by revealing patterns on flowers invisible to us. Snakes, on the other hand, use infrared vision to detect the heat of their prey, an ability crucial for their survival. By studying how light behaves, we can unlock a deeper understanding of the cosmos and the intricate machinery of life. Light is a bit of an enigma. It behaves like both a wave and a particle. The double-slit experiment is a classic demonstration of this duality. This wave-particle duality is one of the most fascinating concepts in physics. Imagine ripples on a pond. That's light acting like a wave, spreading out in all directions. Now imagine tiny packets of energy, like bullets fired from a gun. That's light acting like a particle, called a photon. Light's energy is directly related to its wavelength. Shorter wavelengths pack more energy. Think of the difference between a gentle ocean wave and a crashing tsunami. The tsunami's shorter wavelength carries much more destructive power. Similarly, high-energy gamma rays have incredibly short wavelengths, while low-energy radio waves have very long wavelengths. Understanding this dual nature of light is fundamental to modern physics and its applications in technology. The electromagnetic spectrum is a mind-boggling concept. It encompasses all types of light, from the longest radio waves to the shortest gamma rays. Radio waves, with wavelengths longer than a football field, are crucial for communication. They carry information to our radios and televisions, enabling us to stay connected and informed. Microwaves, with wavelengths measured in centimeters, are used in cooking. They heat our food quickly and efficiently, making meal preparation convenient. Infrared light, felt as heat, has practical applications in night vision technology. It allows us to see in the dark using night vision goggles and is also used in thermal imaging to detect heat signatures. Then there's visible light, the tiny sliver we perceive with our eyes. It's a rainbow of colors, each with its unique wavelength. Beyond visible light lies ultraviolet radiation, which gives us suntans but can also cause sunburn. UV light is also used in sterilization and disinfection processes. X-rays, with wavelengths smaller than an atom, are indispensable in medical imaging. They allow us to see inside the human body, helping doctors diagnose and treat various conditions. And finally, there are gamma rays, the most energetic form of light. They are used in cancer treatment to target and destroy cancer cells, showcasing their significance in medical therapies. Light's interactions, reflection, refraction, and beyond. Light doesn't just travel in straight lines. It interacts with matter in fascinating ways. When light bounces off a surface, it's called reflection. This is how we see ourselves in a mirror. When light passes from one medium to another, like from air to water, it bends. This is refraction, the reason a straw appears broken when placed in a glass of water. Lenses in glasses and cameras use refraction to focus light, improving vision and capturing clear images. Rainbows are created by refraction, reflection, and dispersion of light in water droplets. Light can also be absorbed by matter, its energy transformed into heat. This is why black objects get hotter in the sun than white objects. Scattering occurs when light is redirected in many directions by particles in its path, explaining why the sky is blue. These interactions, along with others like diffraction and polarization, are fundamental to how we use light to study the world around us. Understanding these principles has led to advancements in optical technologies, such as fiber optics and laser surgery. Light as a tool. Unlocking biological secrets. Light is an indispensable tool in biological research. Fluorescence microscopy has revolutionized our understanding of cells and tissues. This technique uses fluorescent dyes and proteins to label specific components within cells, making them visible under a microscope. By illuminating these labels with light, scientists can observe the intricate details of cellular structures and processes. Fluorescence microscopy has led to significant discoveries in medicine and biology, such as understanding how cells communicate and how diseases progress. The future of light in biology is brighter than ever. New techniques like super-resolution microscopy are breaking the limits of resolution, allowing us to see inside cells with unprecedented clarity. Optogenetics, a revolutionary field, uses light to control the activity of neurons, offering new hope for treating neurological disorders. Light, with its remarkable properties, continues to illuminate the hidden wonders of the biological world. Nature is ultimate.